Assalamu alaikum friends. So friends, today is our 21st lecture and we are going to study our remaining options in insert tab, signature line, date and time and object. When you want to signature any document or you are giving some document to anyone and you want to place a signature, so it's the option in insert. You have to go on the insert and on the right top side there is a signature line option. Okay, just click on it and this new window will be get open. Now suggest single signer, for example John Doe, who wanna sign. Here you have to write the name of the signer. Like I want to sign, so I write my name, Afnan Ahmed. Suggest signer title, example manager. Here I write about my post, that what's my post. I am manager, or I am an employer, I am manager, so I write manager, student, or etc. Or here I have to write my email address, afnanahmed930@gmail.com. So you have to read this instruction to the signer. What are the instructions before signing this document? Verify that the content you are signing is correct. This is the instruction that you are giving to the signer. Now I am a signer, so these instructions are for me. Okay, allow the signer to add comments in the sign dialog. Here is the option. If you want to give the permission to the signer that he is able to allow the comment add to write the comment or not, from here you can allow the signer that he is able to write comment or not. It's your okay. Show sign date in signature line. If you want to show the date in the signature line, this option is for that. If you want to allow this, click on this and click on this. If you do not want to allow, just remove this check, but I want to allow, so I click on this. Okay, now see, here is my signature line, name Afnan Ahmed, my post is manager, and here are the instruction. The signature line will appear where your mouse will be. If I press mouse, if my mouse will be here, the signature line will be here. So go to the signature line, same this and this. Okay, see, my mouse is here, I click here, so the signature line is here, that one is here. If I double click here, the signature line will be here. So this is the signature line, how you can create your signature line from insert tab. Samely, if you want to write a date and time anywhere where your mouse will be. If I want to date and time here, just double click here. If I want here, just double click here. If I want here, double click here. Go to the insert tab, go to the date and time and select. First you have to select the format. I want this Saturday, April, like this, or this is the format. Okay, I want this day, then month, then day, which date, 25 Saturday, April 25 2020, because here it's a year, it's a date, it's a month, and it's a day. All four are in it. Now here is the language English, United States. Here are the language are installed in your computer. I have two languages, English and Urdu, so their languages will be two. Like if I have selected the English, you have to install the languages in your computer. Calendar type Gregorian, Hijri, Al Qura, so I select this, just okay. Now here is the date 4/25/20, but if you open this document tomorrow, the date will be same, and if you open after 1 month, the date will be same. And if you want to change it automatically, like if you place date to today, and when you open tomorrow, that you want that should be changed, and when you open after 1 month, the date will be, you want to change the date, date should be changed automatically. So you have to go date and time and you select update automatically. When you click on this, the date will be changed automatically. Okay, remove this, I have placed double. Okay, go to the date and time, this and see, Now I press on the automatic date option. From here, date and time, from here update automatically. It's mean when I open document tomorrow, the date will be tomorrow date, and if I open this document after 1 month, the date will be changed automatically. It will not stuck on the today's date. But if I unclick this, unselect this, the date will be remain same after 1 year, after 2 year, no matter how much time. Okay. And there is a third option, object. What's there? If you click on the object, there are two options, object and text from the file. If you want to paste the text, you don't have to copy or paste here. You just go to the insert and text from the file, and you see the new window will be open. I want select the file from where you wanna select the text. I want copy paste text or document text. Okay, document text or teaching text or wow text teaching. So I want to text from the teaching. Just go and insert. You see when I press insert, the whole text from that file will be automatically paste here. You don't have to open and copy and paste. It's so simple. Just go to insert tab and object and select text from the file. And now what is the object? If you click on the object directly, or you click on the arrow and then go to the object file. What is object file? Object file, if you want to made any Excel bar chart or etc, you have to go to the object, go to the insert tab. Like now I want to insert the bar chart, and that's not in the Word and it's in the Excel, so I have to go into the insert tab, then go to the object. From here you can easily make your Excel work. Microsoft graph chart, Microsoft Excel chart. See, go to the Microsoft Excel chart, click on this and press OK. Now see, there will be all options from the Excel will be get open, and also the Excel chart will be open. It's not the Excel file, it's the Word file. There is only the options of Excel, and the chart is the Excel. If you click on the double page, you see the Word will be open and not the single click. You see, if you click the single click, there will option will not get appear. You have to double click. When you double click this chart, the Excel options will be appear, and it's good. Don't cancel it, because if you cancel it, the Word file will be cancelled, because it's not the Excel file, it's basically the Word file. So don't cancel it from here. Just go to the page and double click, and your Excel chart will be automatically created in the Word. And if you want to manage it, double click on this pic. When you double click, the Excel options will be appear. From here you can manage your Excel chart in the Word very easily. Not the single click, always the double click. Okay, single click will not work. See, single click will not work, you have to double click. So this is the option for object, and this is, and if you want to paste some text automatically from file, go to this, and from here you can set date and time and signature line. And if you want a equation, any math equation, from here you can add the equation, which equation you wanna make. Okay, and any math, if you want math options, from here equation, certain equation, you can add your math equations and any signs of math, and also the symbol, any symbol if you want. So friends, thank you for today. If you like the video, just press the like button and also press the bell icon for get more notification, and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.